helicopter into a remote control helicopter. Things got out of control. Here's how it went down. So I woke up this morning and the first thing that came to my head was breakfast. Wrong. Remote control helicopter. And this vision came into my head. I drew it on this napkin so you guys can see and represent the diagram.
Seems legit.
Now, I know what you're thinking.
That's not possible.
False! They said we couldn't do it last time when I said I want to make a remote control Lamborghini. Guess what we did? One. We made a remote control Lamborghini. And guys, what would a YouTuber do? I ask myself that question every single day. What would a YouTuber do? And a YouTuber would go bigger. They would go even harder. And the only way to possibly do that is to take the remote controlness to the skies, okay? I had my friend do weeks of coding to create a system within the CD that we could plug into an Xbox, and it would allow us to maybe, potentially, hopefully, possibly fly a helicopter remote control.
Wait, does that thing say beta on it?
What? It says beta. It says beta. It's just a beta version. We might die.
Bitch, what?
Welcome to the channel. This is the most lit YouTube channel on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. I'm currently at my brother's house, but I'm also trying to pass him in subscribers. So smash that subscribe button. I'm gonna pass you in subscribers. Oh, are you? Yeah, everyone pass that. Everyone smash that subscribe button. Turn your post notifications on. But we need a helicopter, guys. So my friend Kyler, who you guys know, he has some cute little baby twins. He's a great father. He's done some dumb stuff. Oh my God. I have this idea and I need your help, basically.
Okay.
So I know this is gonna sound crazy, but you remember when we did the remote control Lamborghini?
Uh-huh.
I want to make a remote control helicopter.
Oh, that's easy. I got a helicopter for you, dude.
Do you have a helicopter or do we have to steal it?
No, we're gonna steal it. I got a helicopter for you that I know we can steal.
Why don't we just borrow it?
Is it your friends or something?
It's a guy that I know.
So he won't be that mad if he finds out that we stole it?
No.
Are you sure about that?
Yo, this is about to turn into GTA in real life. So when do you want to steal it?
You know me, baby. Let's go right now.
Hey, we're on a phone call over here about a helicopter. But continue.
Rude.
It's his birthday.
Just because it's his
No,
birthday
I don't
doesn't
care
mean
if
you
it's
can
his
sing.
birthday. We're trying to steal a helicopter. Anyways, Kyler, we're on our way to your house. Kyler. Oh, hi.
Get him!
Oh my God. Oh, hey guys. Hey. Here's the plan.
So there's a plan, and it's a rough one. That's a great plan.
All right.
Let's go.
Do you have a helicopter? Yeah, I got. We actually. Wait, what do you mean? We have to steal it, or what? Are you being sarcastic?
I got codes, bro.
I got the software right here.
Nice. LERC. Super legit.
Let's go. Get to the chopper! For real though, we are on our way to the chopper. All right. I guess the plan is, we talked about it off camera, is 1, secure the chopper. See if we can actually break in and get it. 2, install the software. And then 3, wake up tomorrow morning and fly the chopper remote controlled. Hopefully, possibly, maybe, potentially.
This makes 0 sense, Jake. This isn't gonna happen.
Bro, do you remember remote control Lamborghini?
Yeah, that's the Lamborghini. This is a helicopter.
Yeah, no, he's kind of right. He's kind of right.
It's gonna be fine.
He's kind of right.
We have a beta. It's
Oh, wait, actually, oh God, I forgot the Xbox. We need to turn around.
Disgusting.
Also, guys, life updates. Jake Paul Uncut is coming soon. I'm dropping like, I don't even know how many episodes. How many episodes is it? Are we like 5? 8? I'm gonna drop them. I'm gonna drop them all in a row, guys. I went to her house the other night and we talked and like just cried.
Greg begged me not to do that.
That's why I broke up with you.
We just kind of burned bridges with each other.
Bro, I figured out who I'm fighting next.
It's what you really want to do.
So like that was in the back of her mind the whole time. If we were ever gonna break up. And we just got back from Miami. Things got way too lit, but New Year's was awesome. It's 2019. I am so excited for this year, guys. I'm so excited for everything to come. I've been working on so much stuff this year, and I'm excited for you guys to see it. And it's just gonna be an amazing year. And I wish you guys the best year. I truly love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for being a part of this Jake Pollard family. And 2019 is gonna be an amazing year for us. Also, what else is a life update? Still single and heartbroken and grind myself to sleep every night. Honestly, I'm down to fly a fan out to go on a date with me.
Honey, you ain't.
and a plan. I got the game plan right here on my napkin. What are you doing, bro? Bro, it's bad news. What are you doing? It's only. When I told you I had the connection, bro.
This doesn't look like a connection. This looks like breaking and entering. This looks like 10 to 20 pages.
Nothing looks here.
Except for I don't think you can steal a helicopter, bro. It's much different.
Nothing to see here. Nothing going on here.
Yep.
What? Now you guys hangar?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Just want to make sure.
Thank you. Holy cow. Whoa, why did it say police? Is this a cop's helicopter?
We shoot music video real quick. This is dope.
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright, hell yeah, roll the clip.
It's every day, bro, with the Disney Channel flow. 5 mil on YouTube in 6 months. Never done before. Okay, PewDiePie did it. PewDiePie did it. He beat that record. Okay.
I am sorry.
We're stealing a police helicopter.
This is bull. This is a setup. I'm sorry.
I had to get you guys.
This is a giant. Oh my God, Mom, I'm going to jail.
I don't get it.
Like and subscribe for that effort. You have worked on helicopters before, right?
Yeah.
So you're in charge.
Okay, so just really simply, maybe
Oh my God.
maybe just don't touch any of the instruments,
There's so many modules.
because if he finds out that we've screwed up any of the instruments,
He will shoot us.
we're in trouble.
Dropped out of high school. I got this.
Just remember what I said, okay? Don't touch any of the buttons. No red buttons. You push the red button, this thing takes off.
How do you know how to do this? My friend, Rashid, who made the software, he taught me how to do it. So this is the actual aviation calibrated amp that we bought. We're wired in, see?
I don't know if you were with us last time, but this actually works.
Really?
This actually works.
Fingers crossed. It made a little beep and everything.
Alright, there's no way this is gonna work.
You realize
It's gonna
there's
work.
no going back right now. I guess we just come back tomorrow, right?
We can just sleep here.
I don't want to do that. I have a nice house in Calabasas.
Big house.
Yeah, it's right next to Drake's. I think I'm gonna go sleep there. I'll see you guys in the morning. Boom! It is morning time. It is also go time. We successfully snuck back into the compound.
Let's go, baby.
Don't let HPV speak for you.
We're literally stealing the helicopter. We're pulling it out onto the tarmac. We're gonna see if the Xbox can control this helicopter and start it all up, bro.
What are we doing right now?
Tyler, be careful. Oh my God.
We're going to jail, bro. Takashi 69, let's party, bro.
This way.
I'm feeling about this right now. You are stealing a police helicopter right now.
This is so dumb. It comes down to now, like, the Xbox and seeing if we could actually get the propeller to go, and then lifting it off like GTA style. Yo, for real, guys, smash that subscribe button right now. Join the Jake Paul Army. We're the most lit YouTube channel on YouTube, and we're back, baby. Tons of content coming soon. We are officially in takeoff position. I got the controller. All right, let's just do it. Let's just do it.
You should call your mom first or something, bro. This is like for real.
You're right.
Hi, how are you?
Good, we're stealing a police helicopter.
Oh my gosh, how are you gonna do that exactly?
Okay, I'm surprised your first initial reaction wasn't, Jake, what the hell are you doing? That's my mom. Okay, bye, love you.
Love you.
Oh, she's great. Here we go. Oh! We have to talk to air traffic control, right? To get like approval for...
Yeah, I got it on the right frequency. Here you go.
My name is Jeff.
I don't know how to talk to him.
I'll do it. Air traffic control. Come in, air traffic control. We need to do a remote control helicopter test.
All right, is this sponsored test by the PD?
Yes.
Notify me when you're ready for takeoff.
We're ready to take off. Let's go.
No way. No way. No way.
10-4, over and out.
No way. No way. No way. Oh my God, we're running. All right, the moment you've all been waiting for. All right. Are you ready?
Okay, here we go.
No way.
No way.
Oh my God.
I'm going. We gotta get in the car and follow it.
Yo.
Oh my. I got it.
Yo.
Get in.
Yo, it's literally right there.
Oh, that's so fun.
I'm literally controlling it.
Bro, it's right
Yo,
there.
stop. We need to like follow it somewhere. We need to like find a mountain to
Bro,
land it
Simi
on.
Valley. Simi Valley.
Is it close?
It's close by, dude. It's like in the mountains area. Look at this right over there.
I'm chilling.
Oh, dude.
It's the same thing as GTA, bro.
No,
Yeah. Can you crash and start over? Can you crash and start over?
No, I'm turning in. Yo.
Gosh, so you lost it.
No. I didn't. Okay, yes. I did. Okay, keep going. Drive. Faster. Literally, bro. Yo, we need a dead ass. Make it to the top of that.
All right, we'll start hiking. Let's go.
Wait, do you hear it? Shh.
Go.
I hear it. Oh, I see it. Oh, Steph.
Bro, where is it? Where is it?
Right here.
Holy shit! What are you doing?
Okay, I'm chilling.
Are you starting to get the hang of it?
I got the hang of it now. And then, yeah. Look at that. See that? Yeah, I got it. It's a little sketchy. Yo, I'm gonna land it. Back up. This is the gnarliest video we've ever done.
Not a scratch.
Yo,
Not a scratch.
Kyler.
He's handing you the reins.
No,
I'm
dude.
getting in, bro.
Nah.
That's a bad idea.
Kyler,
bro.
I'm getting in,
No. Bro, there's
Tyler.
no way I'm flying this thing. I don't play video games. I'm older than
I
you.
did it with the Lamborghini, bro.
No.
You wanna come with me?
Yeah. You go, I go, baby. Team 10! Honestly, bro, like, this was probably Jake's worst idea he's ever had. Giving me the controller to a video game?
Please don't mess up, bro.
Yeah, no.
I love you. We're ready. Yeah.
I was nervous, but I'm actually kind of excited now about this.
no.
I'm gonna take you for a wild ride, big boy. I'm gonna kill you, bro.
Bro, this isn't a game, guys. No, Jake, this guy's crazy, bro.
Bro, this is the gnarliest thing. This is like a roller coaster. Oh my God, I'm second guessing this. Oh my God, like it's a gun! That's when I go back to the signal!
Bro, relax.
Oh, no! Yo, this is the dumbest thing we've ever done.
Bro, relax. Take it easy. That's my friend.
Okay.
Those are my friends. Relax.
Yo,
God, bro. Are you kidding me? Bro.
Bro, I'm done.
Why are we going sideways?
done.
Why are we going sideways? Bro, they're coming sideways. They're coming sideways. Jacob,
Oh my God.
Jacob's scared. Jacob's freaking scared right now. Bro, look at this. Bro. Jake! Oh my God. Holy shit, that's rough. Bro, hey! What the fuck? You almost killed him! You almost killed him! Bro, that was awesome! No, bro, you almost killed him! You see that? I just killed him! Bro, are you guys okay? Are you okay, bro?
I'm good, bro. Let's get in the car and leave. I'm leaving this helicopter here.
Bro, just ditch it,
Bro, literally, I'm leaving this helicopter
Ditch
here.
it, bro.
That's not safe, bro.
Man, I'm sorry. You good?
No, I'm good. It's not that serious, but it's that serious.
Bro, at one point, you guys went down that mountain, bro. I thought it was over.
I'm sorry, Pam. I'm sorry. It was real life video games. It was really fun.
For you.
Get yourself some merch at fanjoy.co/Jake Paul. I love you guys. Peace, I guess. I'm alive, thank God. Woo!